channel is Miss Tay Rosé. Now this video features this bomb, and I mean bomb, eye makeup look. I mean, just look at this. That's that brrr effect, if you know what I mean. If you like to see how I did this very easy halo eye alongside what I'm wearing on my lips, then keep watching. Alright, so I mean, the lashes that I will be wearing for today are these 3D eyelashes. I mean, this came in another package that I had received earlier in the month. These lashes, just looking by it, looks very similar to the Huda Beauty faux mink lashes or Huda Beauty mink lashes in Sophia. I'm gonna put these bad boys on. I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be right back at you with the lips. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my NYX lip liner, and that is in the shade brown. For this makeup look, I'm going to be using a liquid lipstick, and this is the Maybelline New York SuperStay Matte Ink Coffee Edition, and this is in the shade Chai Genius. So I mean, I love how this looks already, but I mean, I like my lip liner to be extremely neat, so I'm going to go back in with my NYX lip pencil in the shade brown, and I'm going to reline my lip. I love the eye look. Again, very easy. And then I definitely love my lippy. I mean, the lip color with the eye look goes really well together. Love my nude, you know the vibes. Definitely Tay Rosé approved. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, I'm curious because I want to know, comment below if you'd like to see me do a lip combination video. Do not forget to click on that notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. And that is it for today. Please be sure to check out my previous videos in the section that's coming out next. I'll see you next time. Bye.